Hey, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening right now. Today I will discuss with you guys how the installations of cathodic protections in our platforms. So basically, we are installing anode installations for our jacket. So this is what we can say that's our cathodic protections work in the sea. So this is different in our land and also different in our sea installation. So we have a sacrificial anode, we have rectifier. Of course, this is different than offshore. This we have installing the jacket with including anode installation to prevent the galvanic corrosion. Okay, so next. So as you can see here, this is the installation of anode. See, this is the jacket. So jacket installation, I take the closer look for this, and this is the installation. So vertical, horizontal, bracing, everything is installing in that particular location. So this is the closer look itself. So you can see this is our anode. So the material anode assembly plate thickness 20 and 30 for the bolts, hex nut washer grade. So the length of anode is 2,372 meters. Okay, so that's 2.3 meters. 2.372 meters. So the length of that anode. Okay, this is the bolted installation. As you can see, there is the bolt, and now we have a different anode installation, guys. So every project, it depends on the design, how it works, depends on the specifications required. As you can see, like this. So you can see this is also anode installation, but different. That is continuous. See, that is continuous welded. So welded connection directly with this support. Okay, angle. You can see this is your anode and this is your angle connected together, and then you can do welded in the jacket itself. And this anode here below, this is bolted type installation. All right. So this is how the anode installations installed in our jacket. So now you can see here, this is our jacket. So this is the boat landing walkway, for example. The boat, it's coming from this side, this area in the top. So whereas the vessels will coming here, docking or bringing the supply or manpower, it's coming from this side. So in this area. So this below, that's going to the sea bed. Okay, so whatever depth, whatever height, so maybe 36 meters, maybe 80 meters. Okay, this length, and then you can see from here, see this is the below of that, you can see there is a anode. You can see below of this jacket, you can see there is an anode is there. So depends of the anode installation, how many is. Sometimes they're installing 135, 140, 160. It depends of the requirements of the as per design. Okay, that will be computed as per the design. Okay, so as you can see here, this is your jacket. So jacket will go through our bards, okay, the abyssals. So this is skidding type. So skid towards to our, this is our seashore, and then this is our bards, and then the jacket will be entering towards here inside of the vessels, and this will be float towards to the sea. Okay, and then we are installing there. to install our jacket for preparation of the installing of the top side. So what is the top side? That is all of your equipment, electrical, mechanical, instrument, telecoms, all of that. That will be in the top of this jacket. This is how it looks like. Okay, so this is our jacket, and then you can see from the crane side they are bringing the top side. This is the top side, and then entering here and then installing in the top of the jacket. This is how it works in the offshore activities. All right, guys. So hopefully this will be guide you and understanding how the installations of the anode, and this is different than installation of our cathodic protections in our land base. All right. So thank you, guys, and hopefully this will be you have an inputs. Okay, and then looking forward for your like and subscribe if you're new in my YouTube channel. Bye bye.